get to see the lava tubes, and we're a little mad about that.
But depending where this park is in relation to our trek back across to the airport tomorrow, someone might be getting up early, and it's not me because I get up early every day. Well, I mean, but no, we'll see. We'll see if we can come back this way to see the lava tube. It might be open late at night. It might be lit up. I don't know.
We don't know?
For now, we're going to go see the sunset at the glowing crater.
Oh.
That's important. And it smells like summer. Look at the steam tubes going.
Oh, yeah.
Oh wow.
Oh, steam vents parking.
That's right. Oh, it smells so interesting.
Yeah.
Let's go walk.
Okay. Is it hot?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Oh yeah.
Uncomfortably hot?
Well, just don't stand on that side. In other words, put your hand. Ooh.
Oh yeah.
That's hot.
That is hot. That is lava.
Alrighty.
Well, that's not lava. That's the steam from the lava.
That was pretty good. I like that.
Yeah. Gave us the advice, because we had an hour until sunset, said,
oh yeah,
well, you could go down to the lava tubes, or you could stay here.
And you should really stay here,
but you should
definitely
really
go to the lava
definitely
tubes
go to the lava tubes in the yeah.
And then you can go at night. It's open 24 hours, but the rainforest isn't lit to the tube, so you need a flashlight. Oh, will my cell phone work? I guess if it's charged to 100%, but I sell flashlights. So should I go? Well, you really want to see it turning into sunset at the crater, but you should definitely see the lava tube before sunset. We decided to come to the lava tube.
Thurston Lava journey inside an active volcano.
But this is really cool. I'm glad we came over here.
Me too. Cool. We didn't get into the tubes yet, but...
Nope, just this walk is even awesome. There's stairs over here for something. There's stairs over here. Oh, there's a monster coming out of the dark. Ah! It's the husband monster.
Where are those stairs?
I don't know, but we're about to find out. So imagine this goes back out.
Oh.
Do we want to do it this way?
Sure. Yeah.
Okay, I don't know where it goes. It's beautiful. We just like came out in the middle of this rainforest.
Here. These are so cool.
like the rolled up fern pods. Your thought?
It's really cool.
That is really
It actually kind of seems like an attraction that's not actually occurring. It's just doing its thing.
And it's still like not real because it's out there.
Yeah.
Like you're still looking like, oh, it's kind of like the TV.
And we can't like see necessarily the lava. We can see the glow.
No, you can see the lava.
Sort of.
You can see it splashing out
Yeah.
there. It's like spewing.